10 Best Bartending Kits in 2020 brought to you by Advanced Mixology. The right tools can make you or break you as a bartender, and you don't want to throw your money away on some useless tools. To help you along, we're reviewing 10 best bartending kits. Check the links given in the description box below. If you want a portable set, Mixology and Craft Professional Bar Tool Set with stylish portable bar bag is the best choice for you. Modern Mixology Bartender Kit is the best bartender kit with stand. Our top pick is Fine Dine Premium Cocktail Shaker Bar Tools Set. Let's check our top 10 options. At number 10, we have Jillmo Cocktail Shaker Set. This bartender kit comes with a waterproof travel bag so that going out with your tools is no longer a problem. At number 9, Barfly Deluxe Mixology Bar Set. This is available in 5 different finishes: antique copper, gold, stainless steel, and gunmetal black. We have Mixology and Craft Professional Bar Tool Set at number 8. If you are a newbie in bartending, you can choose this set as this is easy to use. Augie Pro Stainless Steel Bar Tool Set is at number 7. This set is the only one on this list that comes with a cutting board and the basic tools. At number 6, NAUZone Professional Bartender Kit. With a 4.8 star rating under its belt, this kit will surely do wonders in your home or professional bar. At number 5, we have ecoZen Lifestyle Cocktail Set with Bar Mat. This set comes with a cobbler shaker, ice tongs, corkscrew, 2 liquor pourers, muddler, cocktail strainer, double-sided jigger, bar spoon and a bamboo stand. ecoZen Bar Set is at number 4. Keep your bar tools organized in this 360-degree organizer carousel. Mixology and Craft Perfect Home Bartending Kit and Martini Cocktail Shaker gets the 3rd position. This is a basic bartender tool set with a beautifully designed bamboo stand. At number 2, we have Modern Mixology Bartender Kit. This bartending kit will leave you shocked with how easy it is to make professional drinks at home. Fine Dine Premium Cocktail Shaker Bar Tools Set is the best choice in 2020. This set comes with a Boston shaker, a double jigger, a muddler, a beer and soda opener, 6 bottle pourers, bar spoon and a Hawthorne cocktail strainer. You can buy any of these bartending kits by clicking on the links given in the video description below. Learn more about cocktails and liquors at our website, advancedmixology.com.